Welcome to our channel where we simplify your fintech experience, starting with Stripe Dashboard Access. Welcome to our channel where we simplify your fintech experience, starting with Stripe Dashboard Access. If you've just joined Stripe or need a quick refresher on how to log into your Stripe dashboard, this guide will take you through the process step by step in a simple and professional manner. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Stripe website by entering www.stripe.com in the address bar. Once the site loads, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. You will be directed to the login page where you need to enter your registered email address associated with your Stripe account. Type in your email carefully to ensure accuracy. Next, enter your password in the password field. Remember that passwords are case-sensitive and must be entered exactly as you set them up. If you have forgotten your password, there is an option labeled Forgot Your Password. Clicking this will guide you through the process of resetting your password via your email. After entering your email and password, click the Sign In button below the fields to proceed. If your details are correct, you will be logged into your Stripe dashboard, where you can view your payments, transfers, balances, and more. For added security, many Stripe accounts have two-factor authentication enabled. If this is the case for you, after entering your password, you will be prompted to enter a verification code sent to your registered mobile device or authenticator app. Input the code and continue to access your dashboard. In case you encounter any login issues, check your internet connection, clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try using an incognito window. Also, ensure you are using the official Stripe website to protect your account. Logging into your Stripe dashboard is straightforward once you know the steps. With access to the dashboard, managing your payments and business finances becomes that much easier.